Today we discuss the next point, the electron spin orbit interaction and calculation of term value of fine structural level. Firstly, we discuss about electron spin orbit interaction. We know the optical spectra of one electron system gives the doublet fine structure, and it is due to the result of spin motion of an electron. Now, why spin motion is effective for resulting doublet fine structure, that we give the explanation here. Since the spin motion of an electron is associated with the magnetic moment, that magnetic moment is opposite to the spin angular momentum due to the negative charge on the electron. This magnetic moment interact with the internal magnetic field produced by the orbital motion of an electron. Such an interaction between spin angular momentum and orbital angular momentum gives spin orbit interaction, or in short we say the interaction of spin magnetic moment due to spin motion of an electron with the magnetic field arising due to orbital motion of an electron is a result of the spin orbit interaction. It means the spin angular momentum and orbital angular momentum both precise about their resulting vector, that is total angular momentum, and both are coupled together. If both are coupled together, then what happen? We get the two possible orientation of J, that is J equal to L plus minus S. L plus S is, it gives one of the state of a given energy level, and L minus S is the another state that we discussed earlier under the normal order of the fine structure doublet. Here the result of spin orbit interaction shows the doublet fine structure in case of the alkali element, means it shows PDFG, all states are the doublet, but S level or the S state, that means L equal to 0, is the singlet state. This is the free electron, how the both motions are coupled together and their result it is along the vector J, that is shown here. The similar result is also we explaining by considering the another method. That method is semi-classical method, that is also known as vector atom model. According to the vector atom model, if the valence electron is revolving about the nucleus, this is due to the orbital motion of an electron. That orbital motion of electron interact with the spin motion due to the field produced by both the motions. We discuss the results of the vector atom model here. Firstly, we calculating now what is the interaction energy between L and S star if both are coupled together about their resulting vector J. That interaction energy change in kinetic energy due to precession of electron around the field direction. That internal field direction and the resulting J both are in the same direction. This internal interaction energy is inversely proportional to 1 by r cube, means interaction energy depends upon the distance of the electron from the nucleus. If the electron is revolving in the elliptical orbit, the distance of electron from point to point goes on changing, and therefore it is necessary to take the average value of 1 by r cube. That average value of 1 by r cube we calculate by using the perturbation theory, by using the quantum mechanics. Therefore, it gives average interaction energy also. That average interaction energy we use for the calculation of the term shift in wave number. Now, what is the term shift? There is a shift of each fine structure level from the center hypothetical level, that is the T0. If we consider one example, there is a doublet P. In doublet P, there are the two separate terms, that is one is the higher J value term, doublet P 3 by 2, and other one is doublet P half. Now, how each fine structure level is shifted from the T0, that we calculate by using the term shift in wave number. This term shift we denote by delta T. That delta T we have to determine by using the standard relation, that term shift in wave number delta T, or we say minus tau, equal to minus delta W bar divided by Hc. Delta W bar is the average interaction energy, that we write directly the result, where delta W bar is the average interaction energy. That average interaction energy gives the relation Z raised to 4 m e raised to 8 divided by 32 epsilon 0 raised to 4 c square h raised to 4 into the another term L star S star cos L star S star divided by n cube into L plus half into L plus 1. This total term we express in terms of the another constant terms, that is R, one of the Rydberg constant, and other is fine structure constant alpha. The equation we directly write in terms of R alpha, that is the term shift in wave number delta T is equal to R alpha square Z raised to 4 divided by n cube L into bracket L plus half into L plus 1 into L star S star cos L star S star. Here that total term we again write in terms of the another constant. That constant is A, and L star S star cos L star S star. That term, there is a cosine angle between L star and S star. If L star and S stars are coupled together about their resulting vector J star, then the cosine angle between L star and S star also remains constant. And using the cosine rule, we write the value of J star square is equal to L star square plus S star square plus twice L star S star cos L star S star. We put the value directly for L star S star cos L star S star, and we write the simplified term J star square minus L star square minus S star square divided by 2. And the all other terms are constants, which we expressed earlier in terms of R and alpha, that is the A. Hence, the term shift in wave number delta T or tau is equal to A into bracket J star square minus L star square minus S star square divided by 2. Now, what is J star? In wave mechanics, J star is equal to under root J into J plus 1. If you take the square, J star square is equal to J into J plus 1. Similarly, L star and S star, we write here L star equal to under root L into L plus 1, S star equal to under root S into S plus 1. Now, if term shift in wave number, that equation we define here, earlier the equation A in terms of R and alpha. Now, what it shows here, we discussed earlier what are the silent features of alkali spectra, that all silent features of the alkali spectra get satisfied by using that equation. It means the term separation or the doublet separation, that is the delta T. Delta T is the doublet separation that directly proportional to z raised to 4. It means the doublet separation increases with increasing atomic number. This is one of the feature we discussed earlier. Second one is that delta T inversely proportional to n cube. Inversely proportional to n cube means the doublet separation decreases with increasing principal quantum number. Third is doublet separation also varies with orbital quantum number L. Now what is that variation? Doublet separation decreases with increasing orbital quantum number for given value of n. Hence all that three features get satisfied by using this semi-classical method or the vector atom model, in which both L star and S stars are coupled together so as we can find the term separation between a given level. That is from equation A we get the result tau directly proportional to z raised to 4, tau directly proportional to 1 by n cube, and the third term the doublet separation decreases with increasing L. As the L is continuously increases for very large value of L, you know the term separation gets vanished and we cannot separate the term for very large value of L. Now, then we find now what is the term value of fine structure level. The complete term value means doublet P term or the doublet D term or the doublet F term. Now what is complete term value? That term is separated by the two terms here. One is a lower state, other is higher state from a given hypothetical center of gravity of the doublet fine structure T0. Hence the equation we write the term value of the fine structure level is T equal to T0 minus tau, where T0 is the hypothetical term corresponding to center of gravity of doublet fine structure and tau is the shift of each fine structure level from T0. Hence that equation gives the complete term value of the doublet fine structure. Nextly, as you know the equation T equal to T0 minus tau. That means how much shifting is possible from T0 in each doublet term that we calculate one by one. Initially we considering the s electron. For s electron L is 0, S is half and J is how much? Half. Since negative term we cannot introduce for the J, hence J equal to L plus S means only half. Hence one orientation of J is possible for the S electron and therefore the state always we write earlier it is the doublet S half. Actually it is the singlet term but we write the multiplicity of that state. Actually the multiplicity of the for S state is not possible you take in by considering the spin orbit interaction, but we write doublet S half since there is only one state. Now how we get only one state that we explain here. Tau term we have to calculate earlier that the tau is equal to A into J star square minus L star square minus S star square divided by 2 into A. A is the constant. Which is that constant? We cannot taken all the terms here, but we write this is the constant term A. A is in terms of R alpha Z divided by n cube L into L plus half L plus 1. That is, this is one constant. Hence, tau for J equal to half. That we find firstly. We know A into bracket j star square means j into j plus 1. J is half into bracket half plus 1 minus L star square. L is 0, therefore that total term is 0 minus S star square. S star square means S into S plus 1. That is half of half into bracket half plus 1. This first bracket and the last bracket gets cancelled. Therefore, bracketed term is 0, and for tau we write for j equal to half, that is 0. Hence, S states are singlet. That singlet state is written as doublet S half. Now for p electron. Now that is the explanation for how why S state is the singlet state. That explanation was given by spin orbit interaction as well as the vector atom model. For p electron, L is 1, S is half. Here the two orientation of J we get here. J equal to L minus S is half and J equal to L plus S 3 by 2. Hence simplify for J equal to half term for p electron. J equal to half. This is the term shift. So for J equal to half, we write this bracketed term J star square minus L star square minus S star square. L star square is 1 into 1 plus 1, that is 2, and S star square and J star square same value. Therefore, we write these two brackets as it is. This plus term, this minus term, it get cancelled, and remaining term in the bracket is minus 2. Hence, we get 2 cancel again, and we get tau equal to minus A for p electron under J equal to half state. Now we consider the another term for J equal to 3 by 2. The similar terms we take here, similar formula, A by 2 into bracket 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 minus half into bracket half plus 1. This is the first term simplified, 15 by 4 minus 2 minus 3 by 4, and if we simplify the bracketed term we get A by 2. This is plus A by 2. We know that doublet P 3 by 2 is the upper state and doublet P half is the lower state. Lower is minus A, upper is plus A by 2. How we draw? That is, we also sketch the diagram for P electron doublet as well as D electron doublet. Similar calculation we do here for D electron when L equal to 2, S equal to half. Again, there are two orientation of J is 3 by 2 and 5 by 2. Since we know L plus S and L minus S, we just take L and S here. Firstly, find lower for lower state in D electron. Tau J for 3 by 2. This result we get, we write directly minus 3A by 2, and for 5 by 2 it is A. Hence, in that case for D electron, doublet D 5 by 2 is the upper state and doublet D 3 by 2 is the lower state. For lower state it is minus, upper state it is plus. Now that is shown here. This is the complete term value for the doublet terms. For first term we write for doublet P. This is T0 is the hypothetical center of gravity for the doublet fine structure, and doublet P two terms, doublet P half and doublet P 3 by 2. These two terms separated from T0 at a distance separation equal to A by 2, and the lower state at equal to A. Since lower state is from T0 is minus A, that we have to find earlier. This is the tau J equal to half for P electron is minus A. Hence we write here this is the A and here A by 2. Similarly for another term doublet D. Doublet D also splitted into two terms. Doublet D 3 by 2 is the lower state which having less energy. All lower states having less energy, and these are most probable, hence these are the stable that we discussed earlier. Upper state doublet D 5 by 2, how much it gets separated? The shift of each term from T0 here is minus, but we write here this is the minus, below T0 is always minus sign, that is minus 3a by 2, upper state is A. Similarly for F term, we write directly the result. F term doublet F term, lower term is doublet F 5 by 2, upper term is doublet F 7 by 2. These are separated from T0 equal to 3a by 2 and 2a. Again it show from this equation A, small a, term shift in wave number. As the L increases, means PDF, the doublet separation goes on decreasing. That also we prove under that article. Thank you.